Love is one of the most beautiful gifts God has ever given to humanity. From the beginning of creation, we see that God designed love not to be shallow, temporary, or selfish, but to reflect something wholly deep and lasting. Romance, affection, commitment, and devotion all find their true meaning when they are rooted in God's Word. In a world where love is often misunderstood, the Bible gives us a clear and beautiful picture of what true love should look like. Today, we are going to look at 10 beautiful Bible truths about love, romance, and devotion. In 1 Corinthians 13 verse 4, love is patient. Love is kind. This verse reminds us that true love is revealed in character. Patience means giving grace when someone is not perfect. Kindness means choosing gentleness and tenderness even when it is not easy. Song of Solomon chapter 8 verse 7, many waters cannot quench love, rivers cannot sweep it away. This is a powerful picture of the strength of true love. It does not collapse when circumstances become hard. Proverbs chapter 3 verses 3 and 4, let love and faithfulness never leave you, bind them around your neck. In romantic relationships, faithfulness is more than just physical loyalty. It includes honesty, consistency, and purity of heart. Ephesians chapter 5 verse 25, husbands, love your wives, just as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her. Real love gives. Real love sacrifices. Biblical love is not self-centered. It asks, how can I serve? How can I protect? Hebrews chapter 13 verse 4, marriage should be honored by all, and the marriage bed kept pure. Purity protects love from corruption. It is about preserving something beautiful and sacred. Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verses 9 and 10, two are better than one, because they have a good return for their labor. A healthy romantic relationship is about helping each other through weakness and encouraging one another in difficult times. 1 Corinthians 13 verse 6, love does not delight in evil but rejoices with the truth. A relationship that is built on lies or secrecy cannot fully reflect God's design. Love values honesty over deception. James chapter 1 verse 17, every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of the heavenly lights. When we understand that love is a gift from God, we become more prayerful, more careful, and more thankful. Song of Solomon chapter 8 verse 6, place me like a seal over your heart, like a seal on your arm. Godly devotion is not afraid of commitment because it understands the value of covenant and sincerity. 1 John chapter 4 verse 8, whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love. Human love is limited, but God's love is perfect. If we want to love well, we must first know Him. As we come to the end, remember that love is patient, kind, sacrificial, and points back to God. Thank you for watching. May your hearts always be rooted in the perfect love that comes from Him.